Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and the OnePlus 6 is out. I've been using it for the past couple of weeks, getting to grips with the software, and if you're new to OnePlus, there are a few things here that might not be immediately obvious. If you've used OnePlus before, like the 5T on Oreo, some of these will seem familiar. But without further ado, here's our tips and tricks for the OnePlus 6. Number 1 is hiding the notch. The OnePlus 6, as we're sure you already know, has a notch built into the top of the screen. Now, if you don't like it and want to pretend it isn't there, you can make use of OxygenOS's ability to camouflage it. Head to Settings, Display, Notch Display, and then select Hide the Notch area. This then blacks out the top of the screen, hiding the notch. Number 2 is switching to gesture navigation. If you want to make full use of that 19:9 display and get rid of the navigation buttons on the bottom of the screen, head to Settings, Buttons, Navigation Bar and Gestures, and then select Navigation Gestures. Now next up is using those navigation gestures. Now once they're activated, you can swipe up from the bottom center edge of the screen to go home, swipe up from the bottom right edge to go back within an app or back one step, or swipe up from the bottom center and hold your thumb or finger in the center of the screen until the multitasking and recent apps view appears. Number 4 is double tapping to lock the phone. Now if you long press on the home screen wallpaper and hit Home Settings, now activate double tap to lock. Now whenever you double tap an empty area of the home screen, your OnePlus 6 will lock. Number 5 is switching off notification dots. Now in the same home screen settings menu, tap notification dots, and when you switch the toggle off, you'll no longer have dots appear on your app icons when there's new notifications waiting. Next up is accessing the camera settings. Unlike previous versions of software, the camera settings isn't constantly accessible from the main camera viewfinder. To open it, slide up the camera modes panel. Now the settings cog appears in the corner. Number 7 is disabling automatic brightness when you're gaming. Now the latest OnePlus phone has an improved gaming mode. It's designed to keep your battery from being completely emptied and also to stop you from being interrupted. Now one option when you press and hold the gaming mode toggle is to have it ignore your automatic brightness, so the brightness level stays constant when you're gaming. Number 8 is restricting the game resolution and frame rate. Now another option to increase battery performance during gaming is to lower the frame rate and resolution. Select Gaming Battery Saver and choose either low or high. Now the former only reduces the resolution, but the latter reduces the frame rate as well. Now it's worth noting, this only works on games built using the Unity engine for now. Number 9 is wake up when you lift the phone. Now if you want your phone to wake up and show you the ambient lock screen when you pick it up, head to Settings, Display, Ambient Display, and then activate the lift up display option. Now you'll see your clock, battery level, and any notification icons. Number 10 is opting out of sharing with or giving access to OnePlus. Now when you set up the phone, you'll be asked to allow OnePlus notifications, to join the user experience program and system stability improvement program. Now these essentially mean the company can access anonymous data from your phone to help them improve the product. But if at any point you want to change your options, head to Settings, Advanced, and then deselect those 3 options. Next up is scheduling power on-off times. In the same advanced settings menu, you can choose to have your phone switch off and back on again at set times. Now toggle the options on and then choose which times you want to set. Now lastly, as always, is the Easter egg. Now this has been something that's in the OnePlus for the last few years now. All you have to do is head to the calculator app in the phone, type OnePlus equals, and then you know the rest. As always, there's a lot more to this phone than what we can cover in a short video. So we have created a much more in-depth written tips and tricks guide. It's live on PocketLint.com now. I've left the link in the description box for you, as well as a link to our full written review. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on all the important social media networks. Hit that thumbs up, follow me, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Bye for now.